Hello, I am Maria Rose Maileoi, an 8th grade student athlete at Cascade Middle School. Today, I'd like to tell you about one of the 2 replacement levies that Evergreen Public Schools is putting on the February 11th, 2025 ballot. The Educational Programs and Operations Levy, Proposition 7, will replace an expiring levy passed in 2022. It is not a new tax. In addition to paying for coaches and teachers for our high school programs, levy funds also pay for 9 sports programs at the middle school level: football, wrestling, girls cross country, girls volleyball, boys and girls soccer, boys and girls basketball, and co-ed track and field. For more information on these replacement levies, please visit the district website at evergreenps.org/levy. And please remember to vote on February 11th. Thanks for watching.